What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is David. This is Hudson MotoVisuals. Do a little ride video today. We out here with Cycle Fanatix, Holy Shift, and Hector. We'll do a little ride video today. It's a hot one. Just left the Wawa. Hope everyone can hear me. We'll do a little ride video today for you. And I think we're going up to Skyline Drive. It's gonna be a hot day today, but it should be a fun day. We got Sandy, Holy Shift, this beautiful street glide. Yep, we got Cycle Fanatix. He's got his road glide special, 128 build. I think it's a beast, literally a beast. He calls it Silverback. And we got Hector on the street glide, man. He's got a kicking sound system, like literally. I mean, the thing is just crazy. It's the middle of the day, in the middle of the week, traffic on 17. That is what New Jersey's all about, literally. Alright, so we're riding up to Skyline Drive. I love that road. There's a little bit of twisties up there, going up the mountain, going down the mountain, and yeah, right now we're just hitting up the highway. But you know, these guys were awesome enough to invite me to go ride with them. I appreciate that. You know, first time I met Holy Shift. Also, you know, I knew actually Cycle Fanatix from before, and Hector. We always do bikes and breakfast every Sunday, first Sunday of the month. And yeah, I guess it fell into place where, you know, I was off from work, and here we are, we're riding. So, you know, right now it's just all highway up to the place where we're gonna go. So I'll cut back in when we're up on the twisty section. You know me and twisties, I love them, especially with this handlebar setup. You know, Cycle Fanatix actually put the hammerhead setup on his LA Chopper hammerhead setup on his bike. You know, it's nice, you can see the gauges, but you know, it's just like set up like a T-bar. And the T-bar, I know I can't see much of my gauges, but I really don't care. Man, once you get pushing in these corners and pushing around, you can push the bike around easier, and it makes a world of difference, especially from the stock handlebars. So, Marvel Kid, don't get the hammerheads, man. Get the T-bar set up. You can relocate your gauges a little forward so you can see them. You got to go with the T-bar setup. That's my opinion. I know the LA Chop ones look fire too, but this setup right here, bar none. You got more control. I feel a lot comfortable on it. and you'll love them. Alright guys, we just left from Emerald Point Restaurant, I guess is what it's called. Like I said, I've been up here before. Pretty good food. Nice little deck area to sit by. I had only a crispy chicken wrap. Try to keep it light on the bike, even though sometimes I do, ooh, look at this beautiful view. Even though sometimes I get a little carried away when I eat, but, you know, so I kept it light. Of course, with a Diet Coke, you know. So we're here going to Bergen Harley. We want to check out this new paint scheme bike they got. That Arctic blue one that Traveling Tall was by down in Sturgis. I think they got it in, so we're going to check it out. We are going to check this bad boy out. Arctic blue.
That's the crash bar gun. The shit is good size.
Look at that color.
It's still nice. No, it is. Internet don't do no justice. For some reason.
Oh,
That's all right. No big deal. It looked.
All right, guys, that's it. Today was a good day. We did a little ride. Little ride to Skyline Drive. Then we ate at Emerald Point. It's real nice. And then we ended our day here at Bergen Harley. You know, we got to check out, to tell you the truth, I got to check out the new Street Glide they're coming out with the special paint scheme. It's Arctic Blue, I think they're calling it. It's a Street Glide special with a custom paint job. It looks pretty nice. I really like it. It's nice blue color. But I do like the Revival bike. I don't know what it is. I like that old school paint job. Yeah, comment below. See which one you like. Look them up. They're pretty sweet bikes. Maybe they'll come out with a special paint scheme for the Road Glide here. You never know. But anyway, I'm about to head home, hit the highway here. So if you like today's video, please hit that like button. Also, if you did not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of ride videos, motovlogs, and once in a while I'll do some review videos. So if you like something you like, hit that subscribe.